climate of a place where we live. Let us discuss our climate. Do you know, children, climate is different from weather. So what is a weather? Weather is the day-to-day conditions of the air at a particular place. It can be described as sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy or foggy. On the other hand, climate of a place is the pattern of weather conditions over a long period of time. The landforms of an area influences its climate. Temperature and rainfall are the two important elements that affect climate. So let us discuss seasons in India. In India, temperature and rainfall are different from season to season and different from place to place. In India, variations in temperature, rainfall and monsoon winds result in three major seasons. They are winter season, summer season and monsoon season. So let us discuss one by one. The first one is winter season. It starts from month of November and continues till end of the February. December and January are the coldest month in the northern plains. Days are short and nights are long. In the coastal areas enjoy the pleasant weather. It is neither hot nor cold, but it is a very cold in the northern mountains. Very cold in the northern mountains. Strong winds from the west. Strong winds from the west is called western disturbances. So, light rainfall in the plains, and heavy snowfall in the northern mountains. Most parts of India remains dry during this season. The coast of Tamil Nadu gets heavy rainfall in this season. Children, how do you feel in winter season? Yes, very cold in the winter season. So we wear woolen clothes because it keeps us warm. We like to have tea, coffee and soups in this season. So next one is summer season. It starts the month of March and continues till end of the June. It gets heavy, hot in May and June. The sun rays fall on directly overhead. Days are long and nights are short. Dust storms are common in this season. Hot and dry winds called Loo blow over many parts of North India. The southern part of India which is surrounded by sea on the three sides. Arabian Sea in the west, Bay of Bengal in the east, Indian Ocean in the south, is less hot because cool breeze from the sea keeps the coastal areas cool. Some areas get heavy rainfall towards end of the summer. May and June are the hottest month in the North India. Sometimes temperature reaches up to 50 degrees Celsius. The normal temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. Children, we feel very hot in the summer. So we use fan, AC in this season. We like to have cool drinks in this season, and we wear cotton clothes because it keeps us cool. Some people visit hill stations like Ooty, Kodaikanal, Darjeeling, Mussoorie, Nainital, because these places are cool in summer. Next one is, the last one is monsoon season. It starts in June some places. In some places it begins July and continues till the middle of November. Monsoon winds from the Arabian Sea towards the land. These clouds are stopped by the Western Ghats. So it causes heavy rainfall in the Western Ghats. Even winds blow from the Bay of Bengal. It enters eastern states. These clouds are stopped by the eastern mountains. So it causes heavy rainfall in the eastern states. Western Ghats. See children, this is Western Ghats. It is also called Sahyadri Hills. And northern plains and eastern states get heavy rainfall in this season. Mawsynram in the Meghalaya receives the heavy rainfall in the entire world. Rajasthan, Gujarat, Punjab gets little rainfall in this season. The rain starts from in Kerala, then it covers whole India.